something cool. That's the Dodge Fam, dude. Focus RS. Look at that spec. Oh my god, here we go. Holy shit. Look at that Porsche SUV. Macan. Oh, it's like, oh no, it's a Canyon. It's an old one. Oh, it's double. A new one and an old one. Camaro Challenger. It's the Dodge Fam dude again. Guy, you know, with the yellow calipers and the AR Racing splitter. It's a cool car. The rims on that Kia, bro. And dude, is that a track top too? I think it is. Something cool. Look at that. Look at that. Ford Focus. We found another one. Okay, let's. Yo! Oh, it's gonna hit the car! Oh, never mind, it's good. Look at that Corvette. That sounded nice. What is going on, guys? It is about a week later. I am out here doing a little solo run just by myself. 28 degrees. Got a nice little breeze too. Just a typical summer day here in Saskatchewan. So the plan for today, I think I'm just gonna kind of sit around, find like some more spots instead of biking around, and just kind of sit and car spot. Look at the doggo. Look at the doggo. Alrighty guys, we're at spot number 1. Some of you guys might recognize this spot. I actually saw the C8 over here when I was on the bridge on the other side of the road. This time I'm on this side, so if I do see it, hopefully it's on this side of the road so you guys can get a nice shot. But yeah, I've been here for like about 5 minutes and I haven't seen anything nice yet, so I don't know, I'll chill here for a while, and then if there's nothing good, then I'll probably move on to somewhere else. But yeah. Holy, did you see that? I don't know if I caught that in time, but that was whatchamacallit, I forget the name of those. Damn, I think that thing had a carbon fiber hood. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah, Genesis, that's what it's called, Genesis. There's a BRZ or FRS if any of you are interested. Oh damn, you see that car? That's right-hand drive. There's something, I'm not sure what that is, but it seems cool. That's a sick Challenger. Real nice spec. Guys, comment down below, what bike is that? It's sick, it has like 2 exhaust pipes. It sounds really nice too, and it looks sick. That thing, look at that. How sick is that? Look at this. Honda-Grom, I love Honda-Groms. Those are sick. Oh damn, we got more. This one's the Harley Squad. I like that red one. The red one's sick. Look at the color on that Audi. That's pretty sick. end. Recognize that raptor? Oh. Raptor Nation, these things are all over the place today. There's another BRZ. Sounds pretty good too. Look at the color on that Civic. Alrighty guys, supper is done. I'm going to head over to a different spot. Some of you might recognize the spot I'm gonna go to. This is kind of like the legendary spot where we saw the MK4 Supra, and not too far from it we saw the Audi R8, and we're here. Saw some cool cars on the way, but unfortunately wasn't able to catch them on camera in time. I was thinking I was gonna sit on those rocks, but they look kind of overgrown. So we'll just chill here behind the barrier. Some of you guys might remember this place in my last few videos. We saw an Audi R8 down that way, and we saw the Mark IV Supra here. So just gonna chill here. Check out that thing. That is wicked. What is that? Can't see it, but there's a Z06 behind there. If the light would change, you could see it. It's right behind that silver car. I can't tell what it is. There it is, there it is. You can't hear it, man. The Harleys are so loud. You guys remember this guy? That's the Dodge fam, dude. Hell yeah. There you go. Civic. You guys remember that red Focus RS? Look at that spec. Holy. That, ladies and gentlemen, I think is a Maserati. That's the guy with 2 exhausts. I don't know what kind of bike that is. That's an ST. Hell yeah. Woo. Damn, he's flying. Look at that. Another Type R. Aw, come on, the car's in the way. You couldn't send it. That one's also has a pretty nice spec on it. Oh, and he sent it just as he got out of frame. Come on, man. Oh my god, here we go. Corvettes all over the place. Holy shit. What the? Look at how much coal he rolled. Holy shit. Oh my god. That's a nice bike. Some of you guys who know these old cars, please let me know, because some of these are kind of sick. Look at the rims on the Volkswagen. Damn. Am I mistaken, or is that a Land Rover? A drop-top Land Rover? I didn't even know that was a thing. Can you guys even see that? I don't know if it's focusing or not. Drop-top Land Rover. Alrighty guys, that is going to be an end for today's video. What a day. I'm so burnt out. I've been standing there. Let me check my phone, what time it is. I've been standing there for like a good 2 hours. getting content for you guys. If you like today's video, definitely drop a like, subscribe, turn on the notifications so you don't miss an upload, and I will see you guys in the next one.